Hi, I'm Nick.
We know you, Nick. I'm here to vouch for Nick that this is all mixed up. Nobody's done it any special way, and he has just recently learned how to do the Rubik's Cube, and now we're going to watch him solve it. So here we go. You don't have to reintroduce yourself every time, Nick,
okay.
right? All right, here it is. Now, one of the things that's critical about this is Scout's very interested.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see you do it. Can you kind of describe a little bit while you're doing this, how you learned how to do it?
Well, I watched a YouTube video.
Yeah, but what did that teach you really?
Well, it taught me these algorithms that would put this back together the right way.
Yeah. And how long does it typically take you to solve it?
Fastest I think is around 4 minutes.
Oh. So that means we're going to be sitting here for 4 minutes watching you?
I don't know.
Well, you want to talk about anything else while we're doing it, or do you have to concentrate?
Well, what do you want to talk about?
Well, I don't know. Your head?
Oh, my hat. This is my hat. It's my favorite hat.
I think we've been seeing it for years at this point. Maybe this is the year you get a new hat.
I don't know. This is a pretty great hat.
Yeah. While we're doing that, you know, today's cold. Let's just go see. Look at that. The temperature is 13.8 degrees. That's usually a little warm. So it's probably about 12. They say tonight might be the first sub-zero night. How's it coming so far?
Sub-zero. It's horrible. Horrible, I tell you.
How's that doing? Are you making progress?
Yep.
All right, well, I see a green side there. You're getting close. Yeah,
Look.
okay. With one
Just
blue
one
dot.
more.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, okay.
And
Keep it moving.
now I'm going to do that.
Yeah. Why do you do that?
So I can work on getting these the same color in the right places.
All right. All right, it's been about 2.5 minutes now.
It has?
Yeah.
Well, I'm about halfway done, I think.
Oh, this is going to go for another 2.5?
I don't know.
This might not be that much fun to watch in the future.
Well, I'm almost done with this part.
Okay. I believe you.
Has it really been 2.5 minutes?
Well, now it's been 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Not that I'm timing you or anything. I've just got a little clock in the camera here.
Oh. And look, I got it.
Okay. All right. We're getting close. Keep
Now,
going.
I'm on the last layer.
Okay. Do they have any YouTube videos where they're like these geeks on there that solve it in like 8 seconds?
Well, there was this one where I saw where the guy solved it in, I think, 36 seconds.
That's pretty good.
Oh, that's really good. Almost done. I just need to...
I think you have to shower tonight, don't you? Maybe we should do that before dinner.
Yes, I do.
All right, we'll do it before dinner. You can take the Rubik's Cube in the shower. That's one of the good things about it, can't you?
No, I'm not gonna take it in the shower.
Yeah, but it's plastic. It would dry off easily.
Well, maybe, but I'd also have to take it apart and empty it out.
No, that's okay.
Oops.
I wonder if anyone's ever held their breath and gone underwater with it and not surfaced until it was solved.
I bet people have done that before.
Yeah. I bet that's available on YouTube somewhere.
I bet there are people
If you typed in underwater Rubik's Cube, I bet you could get it.
Oh, maybe. That would be interesting.
Well, maybe. Or you'd watch the person slowly drown to death. All for
Almost
a puzzle.
done.
I sense we're getting close.
Oh, we are very close. What happened? I did it wrong.
Oh no.
Oh, yes.
Do you want to start over? Is that what you have to do?
Oh, wait, no. I can just do this top.
Well, then do it.
Okay.
6 minutes and 15 seconds now.
Well, okay, apparently this isn't one of my better times.
That's all right. The fact that you can even solve it eventually is good, because I can't. The concentration on his face is intense. Or so is your braces, the red and green braces that you got yesterday. Yeah, cool. I figured I'd mix it up here.
Yeah. Why not? It's not like we have anything else to do. But I'm almost done again.
Okay.
Hopefully it'll work this time.
Yeah.
Let me make sure. Okay.
You woke up this morning doing this, didn't you, in bed?
Yes.
How many times today have you done this?
I don't know.
20 or 30?
20 million billion. Oh! It worked this time.
All right, we believe you. You can solve the Rubik's Cube.